Okay, a quick guide on how to double clutch and double declutch. When changing up the box, say if you're in second, you'll be travelling along, take it out of gear, take your foot off the clutch, back on the clutch, into the next gear. And in this car you would do it quite quickly. It favours a quick gear change, so like that. When going down the box, say if you're in top gear, like that, travelling along, foot on the clutch, into neutral, rev, foot on the clutch, into the next gear down. And you'd like to match the revs to the revs that you expect to be doing in that gear.